You're here at the International Floriculture Expo, IFE 2021. I'm over here with Diane. Diane, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So you just gave a great presentation on stage. I wonder if you could tell our audience a little bit more about yourself and kind of what you talked through.
Yeah, well, I'm here representing both of my nonprofit organizations. So one is All America Selections, which is a plant trialing organization, and then one is National Garden Bureau. So basically, we're the industry's only nonprofit ambassador to promote and inspire people to use more flowers and plants.
And what were some of the topics that you got into with your co-presenter, Scott, on stage today?
Well, we all know that gardening has had a huge surge in the past year and a half, and so we're talking about how to keep the interest up there. You know, what else can we do to educate and inspire the home gardener, the home consumer to continue to buy more plants?
Well, and that word inspire, that came up in a few different contexts because, I mean, that ties to some of the history of your organization as well as what you're doing in the present. So maybe you could talk a little bit more about that, about what that's meant to kind of evolve that inspiration.
Yeah, well, you're right. It can mean so much. And I think what we do is we try to inspire by giving information, giving good photography. Our members are a lot of the breeding companies and the retail companies, you know, like online retailers, garden centers, anybody who wants to become a member can. And so what we're trying to do is inspire people to go to their local store, whatever it is. You know, it can be a big box store, it can be an independent garden center, it can be a florist, it can be a supermarket. We just want them to be inspired to plant and grow more things. You know, get their hands in the dirt, cut more flowers, do more flower arrangements, put more house plants in. And yeah, we can do that. I think primarily it's through photography and social media. I mean, that's where everybody is. So if they see something and they like it and they think they can do it and be successful, then they're going to take the next step.
Yeah, and that social media aspect was key up there. I mean, how have you seen some of the things that you've either seen on social media or heard about kind of change perspectives?
Oh, social media changes pretty much every minute of every day. You know, the algorithms completely change all the time, and you have to keep up with the newest ones. I think I kind of implied, TikTok now. So yeah, we're trying to keep up with all of them, and each one is very individual as far as what takes off. You know, we're on YouTube. We have to do it a certain way. We have to subtitle it now for the ADA compliance and everything. You know, that's an issue. And then if you want to be on TikTok, this is what I hear. If you go on TikTok and it's not immediately just shared and liked a lot, pull it down, because then the impression is you're not good enough to be on TikTok. So yeah, you just have to, I mean, we have more than one person full time on just social media.
And you mentioned that your organization maybe is one of the better kept secrets in the industry. Is the secret going to be out now?
I certainly hope so. So yeah, with the help of you and us continuing to do more seminars and webinars like this, yeah, we're certainly trying to get the word out that everything we do is for the industry to use. We're not doing it to keep it a secret. No more secrets anymore. We want everybody to know about all the programs that we do.
Excellent. So best way that people can learn more about that, is that on your website, or are there specific social media channels you want to mention?
Yes, I would say the best way is through National Garden Bureau's website, ngb.org. Now, I didn't mention the other organization that I have, which is All America Selections. So that's aaswinners.com. So that one is a .com, the other one is a .org. But both of those are just chock full of information for people to use.